How to create a data entry form on Excel. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to create a data entry form on Excel. So the first thing we're going to do is open up your Excel. Now let's say if you want to enter some information like for your customer or students or whatever, you want to create a form on Excel, you first have to enter your fields. So let me just quickly do that. First, I'm going to do first name, then you could do last name. Once you have done that, you could also do phone number. So I'll just type in phone on the next tab. Then you could do address or email. So let me just do email, and then I'll just do something like city. All right, so once you have all of your fields added, you basically want to select all of them. So let me just quickly fix this. And then once you select all of these, you can adjust the size of it. So let's just adjust. Emails will be a bit longer. I'll adjust the same for phone number, last name, and then first name as well. All right, so once you have it ready, what you want to do is just select all of these fields up top. Just drag your mouse over them, go to insert, and then from here, you want to insert their heading or header. And then what you want to do next is, so basically you first have to create a table here, go to table, and then check this box, my table has headers. Then click on OK. Now once your header is created, next step is to go to insert, right click on it, and then you'll find the option to customize the ribbon. Now you actually enter the form over here. So what you can do is first go ahead and add a custom ribbon. I'll just create a new tab first. And on this new tab, you can rename it. So I'll just go ahead and rename this as something like data entry. Then click on OK. Now under this new tab, you'll have a new custom group. Over here, what you want to do is go to popular commands up top and then select commands not in the ribbon. Then you want to go ahead and find forms over here. So scroll down to F and then you'll find forms. Now just click on add, and the forms will be added under a new group over here. Now all you have to do is press OK. And once you have done that, you could easily start the data entry. Go to this tab, data entry, and find forms over here. Click on it. Now you could just enter your first name, your last name. Then you could also do your phone number and then your email. Once you have done that, you just add your city as well. Now just click on new. Now it will automatically create a new record. Now you could easily do this for all of the forms that you want to add. I'll just do some other. Let's do John Williams. Then you could just add the phone number, email, and then you could do city. All right, so now click on new. Now all of the data will be added simultaneously down below. And that's how you basically create a data entry form on Excel. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.